Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So hope you have seen the last video and practice by yourself. In today's video, we'll try to add a button over our map. So once I click on the button, it will take me to the GeoJSON layer. And second, we'll try to style our GeoJSON so that it will look more clearly. So let's get started. First, I will create a div element so that I will have two div elements on my map. So div, let's give id as layers. Let's give the width of our map element as maybe 90. And since we are using id here, so I need to give hash layers. Let's give width as 10%. Okay, so let's give an heading. So h1 layers. Let's refresh it. So I got the div element here. So let's add float here to the left and then float right. Oh, I need to reverse it, left and right. So now I got my layer element, div element on the left and then map on the right. So let's try to add a button in this div element. So button tag, and then let's use another heading element as h2 and give id as ptn, and then in the h2 we want Bihar, which will show on the button. Yeah, got it. And so let's try to give a background color as gray, text align as center, and we'll style the button also. So hash btn. Let's give width as 70 px and height 20 px. Yeah, we got it. Now what I want is, when as soon as I click on the button, it will zoom and take me to the this GeoJSON. So let's add a on click function. On click zoom to Bihar. So this function will be called as soon as I click on the button. So now I have to give the function, I have to define the zoom to Bihar function on my main.js. So I will define over here function zoom to Bihar. So if I go in open layers, if I go in examples, And as you can see, they have given so many examples. So let's click on view animation because we want an animation. So as you can see, they have button, and once I click on pan to London, it will take me to this. We want exactly this functionality. So let's see what they have done. So what they're doing is view.animate, and then in the function they are giving a center duration. Uh, That's what we need. So zoom to Bihar, view is my view dot animate. Let's give center as okay. So we don't have center right now. So as we have done previously, okay, I need to first comment over it. So what I want is a center, so that once I click on the Bihar button, it will take me to that center. So that center would be the GeoJSON center. So I want this center now. So let's go and inspect. I think we have done this previously also. So let's copy this center, and let's make a Bihar variable, which is this center, and then I have to just pass the Bihar variable here. And then let's add duration as 2000 and zoom level as 8. Let's see. So we got our map. Once I click on the Bihar, yeah, it's working well. So it is taking me to the Bihar shapefile. What we want is we need to give style to our GeoJSON. So let's go in open layers and search for style. So let's go in OL dot style. Yeah. So what they're giving is they have variable fill and then stroke, and they're passing those variables in the style variable. We'll do the same thing. Let's create a variable. Let's copy this thing first up to style only. So let's create style over here. So what we want is fill stroke, but since they are passing this for an image, so we don't want this thing right now. So if we go and fill, this is how they have defined the fill variable. Let's copy it and paste it over here. So we have got the fill. Now for the stroke will be the boundary. So for the stroke, again we'll copy this thing here and paste. So we have got our fill and stroke. Yeah, that's all what we need. Just give the color as maybe green, and then we need to give this style. in our JSON layer. So in the layer we have ol.layer.vector source and then style. It will be styles, this variable. Let's go in ol.layer.vector first. So as you can see in the options, we need to give style in the ol.layer.vector. That's why we have keep my style after the source. Now let's refresh and see. Yeah, we got it. Once I click on the behalf, yeah, it's working fine. We have given the color and the stroke. Now let's try and add. See, once I go over my JSON, so it is not identifying whether it is a different layer or not. So my objective is to change the cursor. Once I go on the GeoJSON, let's go and open layers examples. So let's go and open this example and let's search for icons. If I go in icon symbolizer, yeah. So what is happening is once my cursor comes over to this point, the cursor is changing. This is what we need to add in our code. So let's see what they are doing. Yeah, so change mouse cursor over marker. So this is exactly what we need. So let's copy this thing and add this to our code. Now what they're doing is map.on pointer move if dragging. Okay, so first it is checking whether it is dragging or not. So let's remove this thing first. We don't need this thing as of now. So pointer move function is going and then original event. So this will get a pixel, and then if any feature is over there, so let's try and see what is getting printed in hit variable. So once I go and inspect, oh, so many errors are there. Cannot set property cursor of undefined. Okay, so it's not getting map. So we want, first of all, we want a map element over here. So let's use the DOM. So document dot get element by id, and then we have id as map. Let's see if we are getting mapped by this or not. So let's go and inspect. There is one error. Okay, we can neglect this error. So Once I come over to my JSON, see it's getting true. You can see on the console.log. If I come out, it is false, and then come here, then it is true. It means that has feature at pixel, it's returning boolean value, either true or false. If any feature is there on the map, it will return true, or else a false will be there. So what we are checking is, if we have a true value, it will change to the pointer, or else not. So let's try and see whether this thing is working or not. So if I come over to my JSON, as you can see the cursor is changing, and then yeah, it's working well. So that's all for this video, guys. Try to add more functionalities over our map in the next video. If you enjoy it, please hit like, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you.